this smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern password lock, and you have also a smartphone which is logged by forgotten password. So this video is important for you because I am going to show you how can you remove your any Android smartphone's pin pattern password lock with fingerprint sensor and face lock in just only 2 minutes, and without any computer, without any software, and without any data loss. So this video is very important for you. Watch this video properly till the end and you can unlock your smartphone today. So, but before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that your smartphone should not battery charge less than 35%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should full battery charge your smartphone at least 35%, or else you can charge your smartphone at the time of use this unlocking method to unlock your smartphone. So let's start this video. First of all, you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode, and this is the airplane mode. I am going to activate this. After that, you have to remove your SIM card, memory card from your locked smartphone. Okay, after that you have to click on the emergency call option here and click the dialer pad option here, and this is the emergency call option page. You have to enter a code here which belongs to offline mode code, and the code is *57310000212 and hash. Okay, and after that you have to call this code for 3 times. When you start the calling, a call failed pop-up message will come in your mobile screen. So you have to ignore this to click OK, and you have to repeat the same process for 3 times again. And you can see that this code's work is completed now. So you have to remove this code from your mobile screen. After that, you have to enter a most important code here, and which name is Google FRP code. Yes, my friend, Google FRP code. As per name, you can just enter the code here, and this code is *#56969*1573200 and hash. And this code name is Google FRP code, and this code provides every month, and every code will expire after 25 days. So this code is provided by Google due to some important step here, like that. You can see that this code is belongs to your unlock your mobile password, and if you are watching this video in this month, so this code will work on your smartphone. But if you are watching this video in another month, so maybe this code will not work in your smartphone properly. So you have to require a new Google FRP code. So for that, you have to comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply with new and latest Google FRP code to you in just only 5 minutes. So after that, you have to call this code for 10 times. When you start the calling, again call failed pop-up message will come in your mobile screen. You have to ignore this pop-up message to click OK, and repeat the same process for 10 times continuously. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And after that, you can click on the home button here, and this is the home button here. You have to click on the home button here, like that, and you can see that, my friends, your mobile is completely unlocked and there is no any photo, video and data loss of your smartphone. In this way, you can unlock all Android smartphone at your home. But if your mobile is still not unlocked from this method, in that case you have to require a new Google FRP code, and for this you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 5 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your mobile. And thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.